Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked!
Okay, this is a cream cheese peanut butter and cinnamon cracker, rice cracker. He's got a boiled egg, didn't come out of its shell very well. I've got some Jell-O pieces. He can pick it up and eat, but I'm going to put a fork in here. They're like Jell-O wigglers or jigglers. He's got an apricot, a date, and raisins, an olive, and a tomato.
Yummy!
Okay, Rafael packed his lunch yesterday. So he has one little triangle of sugar-free candy. It's a chocolate, a boiled egg, which he peeled himself and washed. Gluten-free pretzels. He's got 3 dates. I pitted them for him. And he's got one cracker that he split in half with cream cheese on it.
Yummy!
Yummy! Time for school now.
Time to go. Let's roll.
Here, Abigail. All right, I'm making his lunch. He's got some gluten-free bread. That is some homemade turkey sausage or chicken sausage, whatever. We've got some sugar-free chocolate, cut up carrot, and 2 pickles. So this is his lunch, and it's a pretty big one. You good with that?
I'm not happy because Daddy didn't want me to get a Paw Patrol.
Yeah. You have to be good to get Paw Patrol. Okay, today's breakfast, it's basically a 10:30, so we call it breakfast. Tadar says they don't need to eat at home, but Rafael does eat at home, so he doesn't really get too much food.
This is yummy. Catlicious.
Okay, so he's got some lentil crisps, and these are from the UK, from Bunty, and so is this, and it's naked toffee treat, fruit and nut, and that's that. So he gets, like, this will be 3 servings, and this will be 1 serving, because there was a lot in there. So this will be 2 servings, but I think I'll just throw everything in there. Okay.
Let me taste one of these, please.
Okay. And he's got some prunes and
yummy.
olive. And in this container, he has a cut up tomato. So this was his breakfast, lunch.
Yep, you're right.
Yeah. Okay. His meal for today.
Yummy.
He has,
Oatsy bar.
yep. He's got cream cheese and rice. Still sick? Okay, yeah. Cream cheese and rice cake. Apricots. He's got this bar from the UK, from Bunty. It's called Naked Berry Cheeky. Okay.
Oatsy.
And he's
Not
got a
cheeky.
tomato.
Not cheeky.
Okay.
Oatsy.
Oatsy. And he has yogurt with mango. And this is fresh fruit. Well, frozen fresh fruit.
And look the
And
last
his tomato.
thing.
Yep, it's very good. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna pack it up now.
Mommy, I'd like 2 more stuff in here and here.
Yeah, I know, but you have a lot of food, so here's your 2 things. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Da, 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 da. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.